My mail carrier just showed up with this package from Amazon and I'm so excited. This is a pair of Adidas shoes that really excited me on how they look. So this is my initial reaction. I have not opened them yet, so I'm really hoping that they're going to look as good as I thought they would. Wow, there we go. Oh, look at them. The style on these remind me of a flashback to high school when I first started wearing Adidas. These are great. It's a very classic style as far as the white with the black stripes. This here is suede around the toe, up here around the laces, and back here at the heel. Now this sole is a rubber sole, all rubber, and I'm really curious about it. It has a little bit of a translucent look, which is kind of cool, and it's got some great tread on it. It's black on the insole there, and it's not, wow, it's really not very thick. And so I kind of like that because it's going to be a cooler feel. I was really excited to try these on. I was really curious because my feet are actually really wide and these didn't come in wide. But that's one of the reasons why I like Adidas brands, because they fit my wide foot. So these are awesome. They fit a little big, maybe. You might want to go, oh gosh, I don't know. I normally wear 8.5, 9s, and I got a 9, and they're a slight bit long, but not long enough that I'm going to return them. I really love how they feel. And look at them, they're so cool. And the sole is very flexible. Let me show you. Good flex in the toe there across the forefoot. I like that. It's not slipping on the back at my heel, so love that. They feel good. Let me show you what they look like from the back. They're just really cool. And the style is very classic. Like I said, I started wearing Adidas in their very early days, and the ones I got were white with black stripes, and this is just very reminiscent of that. But I love this rubber heel. The whole sole on it is just very cool. And again, I love them. I am so tickled with these. Woohoo!